Speaking at the district headquarters, the resident district commissioner, RDC of Karenga district, Otailep Godfrey Filbert, recounted the peaceful nature of the district, expressing optimism about the declining levels of insecurity in the Karamoja sub-region.
Karenga is a very peaceful district. Even from the time when we went for the meeting in Moroto, Karenga was considered not having guns.
He also commended the UPDF for their pivotal role in restoring stability and peace in the area.
In a disarmament program, as per 18th of July 2024, this is how we recover the guns. Voluntarily, we recovered 15 guns. Forcefully, we recovered 11 guns. This gives us a total of 26 guns that have been recovered in the Karenga district.
In an effort to show appreciation for the developments in the district, Otailep acknowledged the president's efforts in causing development in the Karamoja sub-region as the construction of the airport at Kidepo National Park seems to be taking shape.
Karenga district is one of the beneficiaries because His Excellency, the President of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, is giving us an airport that is going to be constructed in Kidepo National Park. Can we clap for the President? That's the development that now we are talking of.
The chief warden of Kidepo National Park, Richard Muhabwe, indicated that tourism has seen a remarkable uptick due to the newfound stability in the area. He encouraged both local and international visitors to come and discover the park's exceptional features.
One is the spectacular scenery. Move around the entire estate of ours, you will not get a park which is as beautiful in terms of scenery as Kidepo. Two, the biggest herds of buffaloes. The biggest herds of buffaloes indeed. That one will give all others an edge. We also have greater and lesser kudus. Those are antelopes, big antelopes. Nowhere can you get them.
The chairperson LC5, Karenga district, Samule Lobeka, attributed the peace in the Karamoja sub-region to the President Museveni's regime and efforts.
Generally, I already mentioned, on the side of security, whatever is taking shape and what Karamoja is, to a certain extent, to me, I applaud him.
He also mentioned their intention to initiate talks to promote peace across the entire region and not Karenga alone.
We shall work hand in hand with the government to see into it that there is peace. We are not, even if we are peaceful alone, so long as the neighbor is not peaceful, you are not peaceful. So we want to get the Sudanese, and each time we want also to talk with them, talk with the Turkana, talk with our comrades.
The event that happened yesterday was attended by various dignitaries, including the senior presidential advisor on political affairs, representatives from the Uganda police, district local leaders, and the Karo Chunas community, symbolizing a collaborative effort in eliminating insecurity and instability in the Karamoja sub-region.